Hello and welcome for another video. For this video we have a Xbox One controller. The problem with this controller is a crack. One friend gave to me and when he's playing and losing, he's rage, a lot of rage. So as you can see, the right joystick, it's not moving up and down. Okay, let's disassembly and see what's the problem. Also, very sorry, but my cable is too short, so the image wasn't good.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Okay, the first thing we do is to desolder the wires for the motors, so we will be able to work with more space, and this is very easier under the microscope.
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on a war.
As you can see, we have a big crack in motherboard. The first thing we must check is if we have a continuity in every trace that crack go inside. The most common thing is the trace from the right joystick. It's cut off, so we need to replace it.
We're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna.
The first thing you must do is to scratch the top layer of the motherboard to see the copper for every trace. I want to say you this is my first fixed trace, so it took me about 20 minutes to scratch every trace and fix it. So I will fast forward for you and I will show you in the end how many traces I replace.
Drown, but we both know how to swim. No worries, let's go for now. Let's take it slow.
As you can see, we don't have continuity, so this trace is cracked. It's coming from the right joystick, so that's the problem. Thank you for being here. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Now we follow the trace up to the motherboard to see where it go. As you can see, it's go to a test pad. So I will solder a wire from the middle pin of the joystick to this testing point. I was very afraid to replace the trace with a small wire, but as you can see in the little, we have another crack trace, and I managed to fix this trace with a very small wire.
Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind. And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it.
I want to tell you sorry for two things. The first thing is I lost the video from the replace from the second trace, As you can see, I managed to fix this tracer with a small wire, and the second thing, it's the end of the video. My wire for the control is very short, so it's not a very good video. Sorry about that.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're.